You're juggling serums, moisturizer, and sunscreen, but this entire skincare blog you're looking at, from introduction to conclusion with SEO images, skincare FAQs, it was all built in under 3 minutes. No outlining, no editing, and no keyword stuffing. All was done with autoblogging.ai, and let me show you exactly how I did this. Once you log in into autoblogging.ai, on your left panel you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. Today I'm going to go with wizard because this is where you get full control over your blog layout with tone, optimization, and all of it. Now for the article title, I'm going to type how to build a simple skincare routine based on your skin type. This now tells AI that we're giving an advice and we want it to be a beginner friendly and we are focusing on skin types. So yes. For the language, I'm going to keep it English, but if your audience is global, just switch to the drop down and there'll be 30 languages here, from French, Korean, Spanish, and whatever you need. For the length, I'm going to go with medium because it's perfect size for a routine breakdown and not too long or not too short. But here's a quick breakdown. Short is good for a quick tips or blurbs or a product highlight, and long is an in-depth guide. So medium. Here I'm going to choose listicle because we are giving steps for different skin types, but here's other options too. Informative is, it gives a structured educational breakdown and it is great for a guides or an explainer. Places is for a content based, content focused on a specific location like spas or a skincare clinic in a city. And service by landing page builds a landing page style blog, works best if you're offering a service like consultation. So listicle. Now here I'm going to choose second person because this way the blog speaks directly to the readers. You can also choose first person if you write a blog about like a personal experience, and third person for a more formal and a neutral sounding blog. So second. For the style, I'm going to go with conversational because it is light, beginner friendly, and readable. But here's what other styles do. Auto will let the AI choose what fits best. Less AI words will sound more human, like fewer robotic phrases basically. Premium style one is more SEO structured formatting. Snippet optimizer is designed to win Google snippet spots. And witty gives a playful tone, and professional is clean and polished, works for brand blogs. So conversational. Now I'm going to tick on all these 4 boxes. Alright. So intense optimize article. It improves the structure, header and keyword and clarity of the blog. FAQs will pull real questions from Google and add answers. Add AI images will add visuals like skincare product shots or routines, and infographic includes visuals like AM versus PM routine or a skin type tips, etc. So you don't need to upload or write anything manually. You just have to toggle them on and the AI will handle it rest. SERP analysis. Now this means autoblogging will go check what's already ranking on Google for this particular topic and use that structure to build your blog. So you are not guessing what's working. The AI will look at the top blog, sees how they have written and follows that same format and gives you a better shot at ranking. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box you can write how you need your article to be, and you can also select the location where you want your article to rank on top. And click on all these 4 boxes. Outline from competition copies the layout of blogs that are already ranking on Google. External link will add links to a trusted skincare source. YouTube video will embed a skincare tutorial or a product video. And key takeaways will add a quick summary at the bottom of your blog. Next, AI proofreading. I'm just going to enable this and quickly put a guideline here. For example, check grammar or the structure or the flow. So it's like handing your blog to an editor before hitting the publish button. Next, internal linking. Now, if you've already got other skincare blogs related to this particular title, then this feature saves you more time. You just have to enable this and paste your domain here, and autoblogging will automatically link this new blog to your older ones. Literally no copy paste needed, and it is great for SEO. Now, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real human to double check the tone, facts, or clean things, just enable this. Quickly give the instruction. And for example, please fact check all the product types and adjust the tone for the Gen Z readers, or however you are, to whomever you are targeting to. And for this you'll need a human proofreading credits, and you can always buy them from your dashboard. Now, generate article, and I'm going to click on the history tab. Scroll down and I'm going to select the view like icon. And here's your full skincare routine blog ready, with steps are in the place, FAQs added, images, infographics, even SEO sorted. Now here's a quick shortcut for you. Now, if you already know your setting and just want to skip all the steps that I've showed you, you can always use the quick single mode option, and it gives the same result with just fewer clicks. And if you want to batch content or run a brand, you can also use a bulk generate mode, where you can upload 10 to 50 or till 100 titles and generate everything in one go, and even auto post to WordPress. So it's great for agencies or brand calendars. So if you're in a skincare space, autoblogging.ai will save you hours every single week. And if you don't have time to blog at all, we also offer a done for you blog service where we'll write it and format it and deliver it. And if this helped, like the video, subscribe, and drop your next question in the comments.